Welcome, first graders, to our reading mini lesson. Today, we're going to talk about learning a new strategy to put in our toolbox to help us solve and check hard words. So, one of the strategies that we have used to help us make sure that something makes sense is to check the picture. Today, what we're going to talk about is think about what's happening in the story. Use the strategy of just not checking the picture, but also think about what's happening and does that make sense in our story? So, we're going to look at a story today and try that strategy out. So, here's our story called Zelda and Ivy, the Runaways. Chapter 1, The Runaways. Dad's making cucumber sandwiches for lunch, said Ivy. Not again, said Zelda. That's it. I'm running away. Zelda stuffed her lucky jewel, PJs, blanket, writer's notebook, and an extra pair of socks into her suitcase. I'm coming too, said Ivy. She packed her Princess Mimi doll, PJs, tea set, and Go Fish cards. Zelda marched across the backyard. Ivy followed. Zelda spread her blanket behind the butterfly bush. Here's a good spot, she said. We can see the house, but no one in the house can see us. The Fox sisters peeked through the bush at their parents. Mom and Dad will really, here's a tricky word. I have it covered because you probably would know it if you read it, but you're going to help me try to figure out this word. So, by using the strategy, think about what's happening. If I just check the picture, let's check that picture. I see the two girls and they're looking through the bush. They're looking at their parents. The Fox sisters peeked through the bush at their parents. Mom and Dad will really blank. Checking the picture doesn't help me in this for this strategy. So I need to think of a different strategy to use to help me solve the word. Think about what's happening. Now let's think. Let's think about what's happened in this story so far. So I know that their dad made them cucumber sandwiches. They did not want to eat the cucumber sandwiches, so they packed up and they left. They went just to the backyard and they ran away and they're looking at their mom and dad and they're probably thinking, oh, they're really gonna, oh, wait, I know. They're probably thinking about how their parents will miss them. Mom and dad will really blank us. I betcha. I wonder if that word is miss. Let's look at the word. Miss. Ooh, that makes sense and it sounds right. So I'm guessing that's what it would be. Let's read it again. The Fox sisters peeked through the bush at their parents. Mom and Dad will really miss us, said Ivy. So see how when you use a strategy, besides just looking at the picture and that didn't help you, sometimes if you think about what's happening in the story, that can help you figure out what a hard word might be in your story. Okay, so please go ahead and try that new strategy out in your reading. Don't forget to read to self today, and then also do your I Ready reading. Thanks for stopping in.